Yo, it's BBG on 26 is back at it again with another video. Today, we out here at the Junkyard. See if I can find some parts for the budget Accord build. Mainly looking for engine parts and few interior parts, nothing major. Just gonna see what I can find and take y'all along with me while we in the Junkyard. So, yeah. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Bro, they put the Hondas all the way in the back. And I got these extra Tufts on, bro. It's time for another pair of boots. These are old, but we gotta go all the way back there. Of course, they put the Hondas, the Acuras in the farthest place ever. I'm gonna see if my truck ended up out here though. That's another reason I wanted to come out here, because this is a very big junkyard and most stuff usually comes out here. But we'll see. I doubt I'm gonna see my truck out here. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get closer to the Hondas and stuff. All right, so I found my first Accord. See a couple more, but we're gonna start with this one, I guess. Let's see. Ooh, this one's got black interior. Might be in business. Steering wheel. The seats. Low-key, I want to take these seats, but I'm gonna leave the seats. I'll leave the seats. I'm looking for 04 LX though. I'm looking for one with specific tail lights if I can find them. Most people already take the tail lights, but let's see if we can find one here with the tail lights I'm looking for. Now, here's another one. This actually has what I need, which is this tail light. I do need to take this. So I'm probably gonna take this one. If I don't find the ones I want the ones that are actually all red, that aren't like 50-50. I want the ones that's all red for the outside, because I want to leave the inside ones that are like this. I want to leave them like that and have the all red ones on the outside. Plus mine's cracked, so I need another one. It's not a want, it's a need. Let's keep looking though. Let's keep looking. See if I can find one, but this one's very limited. They got an Acura here, and I was here for Acura. See if I can take a steering wheel. See if this one got the steering wheel. No, it's gone. There's one in here. I'm pretty sure I can use this one, but this one has this here. I guess I just wouldn't use this part, but I'm pretty sure I can take this one because my buttons are exactly the same as this. The cruise like this. So I might try to take this steering wheel out. I might try to take this one if I can't find another one, because I want the accurate steering wheel. Let's see, let's keep looking. Keep looking. Got some Civics, some more Accord. There's another Accord right over here. I kind of got it hodgepodge where you like really got to look for to see if you're gonna find what you're looking for. But so far, so good. We finding some stuff that I possibly could take for the build. Daggone. My God. What's in here? Ooh, this is a clean steering wheel. Nah, I lied. But black interior. It's so common to see black interior in these, and mine has horrible interior. This one has a headliner done in it. This was changed. If y'all look, it's like shag carpet. Low key. Would this fit mine? I take this. No. This has the sunroof. Never mind. Let's keep it going. That one's got the sunroof. Dang, bro. Okay, it's another one right there. Ooh. But this one's the two-door. This is the coupe. So I'm already knowing. Yeah, no. There's nothing for me in this one. There's nothing for me in this one, bro. God. It's like a damn war zone. Another good tail like that. So, got options. Just in case I break one, trying to take one off. See what else we're working with. What is that? Okay, it's another cord over there. See if I can reach it without killing myself in this yard. It's a couple of cords actually, back to back to back over here. Jeez, bro, it's so hard. Oh, we found what we're looking for though. Hold on. Forget everything over there. Please, I'm praying this side has a good tail light. Please. And it does it, bro. Hold on, bro. Need a maze run. Oh, I gotta move out of here. The only thing is you definitely gotta take this bumper off to get to it. But it's clean. I would have to figure out how to raise this trunk too. Let's see. Sheesh. Let's go. Let's go. Facts. Facts. All right, so I'm gonna put down the camera and I'm gonna try to get both of these out, and we'll see what I can do. All right, y'all, so this is what I ended up picking up for the cord. I got 2 tail lights for the outside, like on that car over there, just to replace the red and white ones to these, and then leave the ones that's on the trunk to red and white. Then this is the thing I really came here for, see if I can find the red and silver cover for the engine, and I found it. So hopefully they ain't gonna charge me on the lead for it. They got a steering wheel here, but I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna come back and get steering wheel and stuff like that. But good come up today. Hopefully this is not expensive, but we're gonna see. I'll pick up the camera when we're about to leave. All right, y'all, so we ended up getting everything for 85 bucks. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm gonna continue the video with me putting all this stuff on. It'll probably be tomorrow though. So yeah, just stay tuned. And yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up tomorrow. All right, y'all, it's the next day, and I'm gonna install what I got at the junkyard on the car. I'm gonna start with the hardest thing first, because I already know, ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be frustrated because it was frustrating to do it at the junkyard. But I'm gonna start with the tail lights. Pop this. So basically, I'm gonna just give y'all a summary of what y'all all have to do to get this off. There's 10 millimeter behind here. You're gonna have to pop this cover back, pop this off. There's 3 8 millimeters behind here. Then you're gonna have to come to this wheel well. There's a screw that's hiding like right here. And then I'm pretty sure you gotta take off these, and then it's gonna pop back. You don't, contrary to what like most videos say, you gotta take the whole bumper cover off. No, you don't. Because once you take that screw off, this is gonna swing back, and that side's gonna swing back as well. And you'll be able to get enough room to get to the 2 10 mils right there. And then the thing just slides off. So yeah, if I had a big tripod, like I have a tripod now, but I don't have a big enough tripod, and I don't have nobody to film me, so I just had to basically show y'all what's going on and tell y'all what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so once I get these out and hopefully get them on, I'm gonna pick back up the camera. But basically y'all see the vision, and a lot of people don't even know this, but the cords do have fully red tails. I didn't want it fully red. I just want to replace this part right here with red, and then have this right here red and white, to give it a different look. As y'all see, I did get the ones off the Junkyard, so I know I can do this. It's just a tedious process and a patience process, so you really just gotta be patient. So the main part I'm worried about is just getting this back on, but I should be good. And then another thing I'm gonna do is get rid of these rubber mud guards. When I go back to the Junkyard, I'm gonna get the OEM ones because they had a bunch of them sitting out there. So I'm actually gonna get the OEM ones for the car. But yeah, I'll pick y'all up when, you know, I get closer to being done with this. So while I was editing the video, I realized I didn't show y'all what the tail lights ended up looking like. But here's how they look with the red on the outside and then the white on the inside with the trunk. I think it looks a whole lot better, in my opinion, on this car. I can't wait to have it lowered. It's gonna look 1,000 times better, but it does look way better on the car. I'm gonna also go ahead and show y'all what the engine cover looks like. I forgot to show that as well. Tripping in the trunk. There we go. So this is what it ended up looking like with the silver engine cover, with the red lettering. Looks way better than the black. I do plan on taking out the stock intake and putting in a short range intake within the next week or two. And then sometime today, I'm gonna have to shoot another video, but I'm gonna be doing the front headlights and the chrome door handles. But yeah, it's coming right on along. I've decided I'm gonna just get this front bumper repainted because there's no point in actually getting a whole nother bumper cover, because this one's fine. It just needs to be repainted. And yeah, and then I'm gonna get a lip for this bumper as well. There's one that I really want, so I'm gonna end up getting that. But the little $400 budget bill, you know, coming on up. Hope y'all enjoying the content. I've been trying to be consistent, give y'all one video a week. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. BBG on 26 is out.